Okay, go. Okay, hi, we are the team number 4 in STEM, and we're going to present our project. That it consists of a motor. Sorry. I normally present that consists of a motor controlled or powered by a solar panel to help to move a bicycle. My name is Luis Leonardo Flores Fernandez, and my teammates are
Diego Salazar,
Diego Lozano Tello,
Patricio Hernández Moreno,
Diego Moya,
Milton Flores.
introduction first.
Well, to start with our presentation, we want to know the question is what is STEM? Well, this term is very familiar with scientists that they may understand or not necessarily. Well, the STEM has an abbreviation that stands for the core studies that are science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These have a similarity which they both use the theory and the practice. Thanks to the STEM, many students all over the world have included or developed the skills to be creative or to solve problems.
Our project is named SunWheeler, and it is named like this because it works with solar energy, and because it sounds as wheeler that uses wheels, and it sounds the same as wheeler, which represents our will to make a change in the world. Our project is powered by solar energy that is captured by solar panels, and then it is converted into mechanical energy by a photovoltaic motor that is inside the bicycle.
Next, we have the Sustainable Development Goals. Well, what are they? In 2015, the United Nations wanted to provide peace or prosperity for people all over the world. Including that, they have the idea to achieve the 2030 agenda, which they made the idea to have the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, that are the SDGs, which are the goals that have the categories to end poverty, start of alimentation, and other stuff. They recognize that ending poverty and other deprivations must go hand in hand in strategies that improve health and education, reduce inequality, and spur economic growth, all while tackling one of the main causes that make the earth less secure is that climate change, and working to preserve our oceans and forests, just like the deforestation and the contamination in our oceans.
Well, our sustainable development goals are first the number 7, that is affordable and clean energy. The objective of this SDG is to have clean water by 2030 by investing in affordable and clean sources of energy like eolic, thermal, and by wind, solar energy. This because the purpose of this is to reduce the electrical use by industry and buildings. And the other SDG that we use is a number 9, and that this goal is to improve the industry by investing in technologies to innovate the access to information, and like this making a society with more opportunities and create more jobs.
What is our what?
SDG,
No, SDG.
SDG, sorry.
SDG. No, this is J.
Well, like we saw, we are trying to find the sustainable development goals of the industry, innovation, and infrastructure, and another is affordable and clean energy. Well, how it works or STEM? Basically, it's a bicycle but with a solar panel, and the energy that is going to from the solar panel. Yes, the energy that is going to be in the solar panel is going to use in a future when the bicycle needs lights on the night, or when at night, or when the bicycle is climbing difficult heights. This bicycle is going to have a motor, and this motor is going to activate takes of the solar panel. Well, and how this can improve these goals? Well, it is going to be improve the mobility, and the pollution is going to be disappeared. So with this STEM. It's going to be not disappear. It's going to improve.
Prototype description. As you can see, our prototype is made of not too difficult materials to get, because we don't want to have troubles in that part. The main components are a DC motor, some Lego reused parts, a battery of 9 volts, a switch to turn it on, and an elastic tape, another tape, and hot silicone. The purpose of our prototype is mainly the DC motor will start to run, and with the inserted Lego wheel, it will push with its force, and it will make the other wheel rotate with the elastic tape. This is because, our main idea was to use a real solar panel that we will show you in a video, but we adapted to here the presentation because here is there is no sunlight. The energy will be transformed from solar energy into electrical energy from photovoltaic cells that ionize each other, and they releasing electrons when they interact, and that creates electrical energy. So it can be move the DC motor or store it in the battery.
2 minutes to finish. I told you 6 minutes. You already spent more than 10. Okay.
Well, here's how it works.
No. Okay, now the design. Sorry, I was trying to give this. Okay, now the design. By the design, I'm talking about the Tinkercad one. Now, this was our earlier representation of the stem of the product. Of course, you can see that it isn't as detailed as the final one, but it has the fundamental things, which are the solar panel connected to a DC motor. That, of course, its function will be to power a bicycle to move forward and help the biker to not get as tired as normally he would used to. Now, our prototype, as my partner said, it doesn't have the solar panel attached to it. This because, as you can tell, there's no sunlight. So, of course, the solar panel wouldn't work.
Okay, I need to know the connection but with English. English and exercise, please. Because this is my subject.
Yes. Okay, it says connections with physics and math.
But I want to know in English, no physics and math. Oh, I already read it.
Okay. In English, we use basically grammar for the presentation, the way we wrote it, and we also use, by talking, we are talking in English.
Public speaking.
Public speaking, and as we have seen in many other stages in English, a presentation with visual aids that help the people to understand better the thing we're talking about. In this case, is our STEM project.
Okay, this is well written.
Huh?
This is well written.
It's a, how you say, combined word. So it's not like.
My question is it well written?
Yeah, suppose so. No?
Capitalization rules.
In which? In the title of the stem.
I already told you this word.
But that's like how it's wrote.
It's format right, then it's wrong.
Okay, so sorry. That's probably self.
Yes, don't worry. What's the conclusion?
The conclusion, well, so this is our STEM. I hope you like it. We put in an effort, of course, more in the part of creating the model because it may seem easy, but it wasn't. So yes, thank you very much.